Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to easily fix Fortnite error code ESP-DIST-001 on Xbox using simple and effective steps. First, fully restart your Xbox console by holding the power button for a few seconds, then turn it back on to clear temporary glitches. Next, check your internet connection and restart your router, since this error is often caused by network issues. After that, go to Fortnite and make sure your game is fully updated to the latest version. You should also sign out of your Epic Games account and sign back in to refresh your session. Then, check Xbox Live status online to ensure there are no service outages. If the issue continues, try changing your DNS settings to a more stable option, like Google DNS in network settings. Also, avoid using VPNs or proxy connections. Finally, if nothing works, uninstall and reinstall Fortnite. These steps should fix the error and restore normal gameplay. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.